Hello everyone. I have another idea of something to do with these little Valentine's notepads that you get at Dollar Tree. I think you'll remember that I've done a whole little series of these things. They come like 8 in a package from Dollar Tree, and I'm still seeing them in Dollar Trees. So I think that they're pretty readily available. Not everything from Dollar Tree is always available, but these seem to be pretty readily available. However, if you don't have a Dollar Tree and you or you don't want to go out and you just want to do one tiny little project, up in the upper right hand corner right there will be a link to the first video I did, which was how to make these little notebooks. They're just little notepads. And what you will do is that in the description box there will be a link to my Facebook page, and I actually made a template for y'all, and it's in the file section of the Facebook page. So what I'm going to do today is make a little notebook that it flips over and opens on the back. So it's going to open on this side, and then you can turn it over and it opens on this side. And what we're going to do also is create a closure for it. This is going to be a simple little wrap closure that wraps around, and then because of the weight of a dangle, it will go down and stay closed. Now the thing about that is that because both sides open, both sides are front. So we are going to decorate both sides of these today. So I'm hoping you'll enjoy it. Hope so. I'm going to just get busy and work. If I have anything to say, I will pop in. I do have some things out. I have some little tiny 1/8 inch ribbon. Well, I did have. It seems to have decided to be all messy right now. This is just 1/8 inch ribbon that I'm going to use as my closure. I got out some little pearl bling things. And of course I'm going to use lots of my glue. So have fun, enjoy. I'll be back at the end. Okay, everybody. That was interesting. Um, I'm gonna leave it all in there because we all have days when things don't go exactly as planned. Um, First off, let me say that when you put your two little heart notebooks together, don't use too much glue because that's what happened. When I was putting the two notebooks side by side, um, the I got too much glue when I was gluing them together like this. Okay? And therefore my papers kind of got stuck along the very edge. And I'm trying to fight to get the papers undone. So don't overdo the glue right out to the edge. That's what I'll tell you. Because, or be prepared ahead of time and have wax paper in between each set of papers, something like that. Because, and then I had to go back and get them out of the, out from the edge so that they wouldn't be all stuck together. Do remember that if you want your ribbon to tie your little book together, this back to back, this that's what I'm going to call it, back to back little heart book, you need to put it together with the ribbon in the middle before you start decorating. All right. Now I had planned on doing it twice around and ended up that I didn't really like it twice around. I much prefer it just wrapped around once. So that's, a thought on that. But now we have our little booklet that opens this way and our little booklet that opens this way. See, I still have a paper just stuck together. It's just stuck right on the edge, just right on the edge. So I'll have to go back and very carefully get those off. So there we go. I really like how it came out. I think it came out real cute. Do realize you have this little crease right here. You've got to get your little papers over the edge. It was way easier to put all my little collage papers down and then trim it off rather than trying to cut a piece to size. And this just goes around, wraps around, and then your little bead just tucks in there. And it's easiest, it stays best if you wrap it around twice. And then it'll just tuck right in. And see how cute that is? It's just adorables. I hope you like these little projects. Like I said, this is just a little back-to-back book. So it goes this way and flips over and goes this way. But then wraps around. I also seem to have 5 thumbs today, so I hope you enjoy this. Let me read you a quote from our 1001 Ways to Creativity, and then I better go see what other kind of trouble I can get into. Okay? Oops, let's put that back in the middle. Let's see, where are we at? I don't think we'll read that one. In the creative state, a man is taken out of himself. He lets down as it were a bucket into his subconscious and draws up something which is normally beyond his reach. He mixes this thing with his normal experiences, and out of the mixture he makes a work of art. E.M. Forster. I don't know. Sometimes the quotes in this book are not, I don't know. Anyways, guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.